Hello everyone, thanks for watching. If you don't know me, my name is JennaLee from liveeatteach.com, and in my channel I talk all about teaching online, building your own online business as an educator, and also becoming your own boss. So if that interests you, I would love to see you again. Go ahead and click that subscribe button and click the notification bell if you want to be notified every time I post a video. I post content weekly about these topics, so I would love to see you again. In this video, I will be going through what an Outschool class looks like from start to finish. I'm going to take you through not only how to set up Zoom, but also how to prepare for your lesson and plan your own curriculum. And I also have created free templates for lesson planning that you can grab below in my description, and I'll also link them to the comment section below so that you can easily access them. I also want to invite you to follow me on Instagram and my Facebook page. I post daily on my Instagram about what Outschool life and online teaching life is about, and on my Facebook I also post about my Outschool classes and kind of build a community there for people who are curious about what an online teacher does. I'm going to take you first through how I plan a lesson and show you those free templates that you can grab below, and then we're going to go through how to set up Zoom and how to end class, and you'll get to see me teaching one of my very popular classes on Outschool. About 99.9% of the time when I'm planning lessons, I use these two lesson planning templates. And I always think of lesson planning as planning for a full course meal. So you want your appetizer, which is your icebreaker, discussion question, a fun game, or an activity. Your first entree, which are going to be you explaining your lesson objectives and getting into the meat of the lesson. Your second entree, which is a quick brain break, which is a quick game or activity. Your third entree is you're going to continue to teach your lesson objectives. And then you want to end on a good note with a dessert, which is sometimes a fun song, a game, an activity, or a craft. So that's my first template that I'll use in maybe a longer lesson. And right here, I have this kind of decorated lesson template for you. And if you want these templates, you can click my link in the description below, and I'll also link it to my comments. So you can click on that and get these lesson templates to print out and plan on your own time. So my second lesson template that I'll use, and this I'll use in shorter lessons, is that you start with an appetizer, which is an icebreaker, discussion question, fun game, or activity. Go on to your meat or main course, which is where you will teach your lesson objectives, and then end with a dessert, which is the fun song, game, activity, or craft. So again, I use these so often in planning for Outschool classes, and if you are new to planning your own curriculum or planning your own lessons, these would be really helpful for you to kind of get a good start. And also, how cute are these? I made these in Canva, so shameless plug, if you are teaching with Outschool, Canva really helps you to be very creative and get these cute pictures. Before every class, about 5 to 10 minutes before class, I will go into the class page. So I'll click on the next class, and if you see this green button that says Start Live Meeting, you will click on that. That will take you to Zoom. So open Zoom, join with computer audio. All right, did you see me here? All right, so a few things that I get ready before class. If this is your first time in Zoom, then you will go down here to either the video or audio, and you'll click on a little arrow. And what you're trying to get to is the video settings. Right, so if you see this video here, you can change your video. to the right camera, and I have an external webcam here. You can also change this around, like do an HD function and mirror my video, which I do a lot because I teach violin. And there's also other advanced settings. And then go over on the left side again, click on the headphones that are green, the audio settings. And here's where you can change your speaker output and your microphone input. And I have an external microphone as well. So that is set. All right, so those are settings if this is your first time in Zoom. Now, some other settings that I change around before class has to do with my students. So I can click participants here, or if I minimize the screen, I'll also be able to see participants on the right side of the screen. And right now it's only me, but you will see all the students entering in class below yourself when class is started. You can also mute each individual student over on the right side near their name. And you can also mute all the students on the very bottom here. And if you click on chat, you can change some chat settings below. So if you click on the three dots down on the right corner, bottom right corner, these are chat settings. I don't know why it's not showing you these. Okay, participant can chat with no one, host only, everyone publicly. And because the students that I teach are really young, then I allow them to chat with only me so that there's no distractions during class. So you can set that to no one, host only, or everyone. I'm trying to think here. Something I also do is I will share my screen a lot during class for them to see my PowerPoint. So in order to do that, you click this green arrow that says share screen, and you will click on the window that you want to share. So usually I'm sharing Chrome. So I'm going to click on that window and pay really close attention down on the left bottom corner. It says share sound. If you have a PowerPoint that you want to share the audio with, make sure you're clicking this button. Okay, so now see, I'm sharing my screen here. You can see my Outschool class. And then when I want to stop the share, I just click this red stop share button. All right, we are back to the page. If you want to just share your audio and not your screen, you can go to advanced settings and click on this audio button that says music or computer sound only and just share that. So now I'm just sharing the audio. All right, there are some things that you can't see here. When you do start a class, on the top right-hand corner, you will see different views that you can change up. One is presenter view, where the person who's talking will be the biggest person. And if you press gallery view, that will be you being able to see each student equally along with yourself. So at the top right-hand corner, when class starts, you can change those as well. So those are some of the main features that I use before, about 5 to 10 minutes before each of my classes. And then when I want to leave the meeting, I go down to the right corner and click end, and then end meeting for all. And some students aren't able to leave the meeting, so make sure that you are doing this every class time. Hello. Hi, Claire. Hello, Paulina. Is that your name? Paulina? Is that your name?
Yes.
Yes, very good. And Lola. Hello, Lola. Nice to meet you all. My name is Mrs. M. Super easy. M as in the alphabet letter M. We made it down the stairs. Good job, everyone. Nice teamwork. Okay, we're gonna go outside and we're gonna try to find another one of Olaf's body parts. Raise your hand if you can see which body part we found. We're gonna pretend that we're kangaroos, that we're all kangaroos. And we're gonna hop up to get Olaf's teeth. Olaf's teeth. Okay, so kangaroos have really short arms, just like this. Try this. Woohoo! Wow. Listen, listen. I will see you next time, everyone. Goodbye. And you guys, that is it. That is all there is to planning lessons and curriculum on Outschool to setting up Zoom. You probably thought it was harder than it was. I hope you now have a clear image of what being an Outschool teacher is and how to set up your class and plan your lessons. So if you liked this content, go ahead and give this video a like. And I hope to see you in future videos. So don't forget to click that subscribe button. Also, if you do want to grab those lesson plan templates that I created with Canva, then go ahead and click that link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video real soon.